This was an empty dirt lot. And this is a brand new concrete block Florida home. Today, we are going deep into the build. I'm walking you through every stage in between, the inspections, the milestones, the money. No fluff, just the real process of building in Tampa. Welcome to my world. Tony Damiano, Realtor with eXp Realty and new construction project manager right here in Tampa Bay. Most agents can sell you a new home. I can tell you how it got built. Screw by screw, draw by draw. If you love behind the scenes real estate, this channel is your home. Subscribe. Hard hats on. Let's build. Stage 1, pre-construction. It starts with lot selection. We look at elevation, flood zones, and soil quality. Buying a cheap lot can cost you $50,000 in extra fill dirt later. Stage 1, pre-construction. We start with engineering and wind load calculations. In Florida, we build for 150 plus mile per hour winds. Your plans must be bulletproof. We analyze zoning and land use. Setbacks, easements, and lot coverage ratios dictate what you can actually build. If you ignore these, the city will shut you down before you start. Financing and the draw schedule. Your lender will only release money when specific milestones are passed and inspected. No inspection, no draw, no progress. Cash flow is the fuel. Then we hit the permitting phase. Depending on the municipality, this can take months. Impact fees, site surveys, and drainage plans are all scrutinized by the building department. Stage 2, site work. We clear the land, pull stumps, and haul in fill dirt. We need a specific elevation to stay above the floodplain. This is the foundation of your foundation. Footings and stem walls. We dig deep into the earth to pour the concrete base that holds the entire weight of the house. We use vertical rebar to tie the footings to the future block walls. Compaction tests are mandatory. We need to ensure the soil can support the weight of a concrete block home. We test every foot of fill to ensure it meets structural density requirements. Next is the underground plumbing rough-in. All your main drain lines go in now. We pressure test the lines to ensure no leaks before the concrete seals them forever. Soil treatment for termites. In Florida, subterranean termites are a real threat. We apply a chemical barrier to the soil before the vapor barrier goes down. It's an essential layer of protection for your investment. We lay a heavy vapor barrier and a steel rebar grid. The slab inspection ensures the steel is spaced perfectly for structural integrity. Then, the pour. The house has a footprint. Stage 3, block and frame. Concrete block is king in Florida for durability and fire resistance. Walls rise fast, using lintels over windows and doors for structural support. Vertical rebar is installed into the block cells and filled with concrete at every corner and alongside every opening. This creates a reinforced skeleton for high wind safety. The tie beam, a continuous band of concrete and steel poured around the top of the walls. This locks the house together and provides the anchor for your roof trusses. Interior wood framing begins. We use pressure-treated lumber for any wood-touching concrete to prevent rot. The layout starts to feel like a real home now, room by room. Truss day, the crane flies the roof structure into place. Hurricane straps are installed to meet Florida code, securing the roof to the tie beam. The house finally has its shape. We inspect every single hurricane strap. These metal ties ensure your roof stays attached during a storm. In Florida, this is the most important inspection of the entire framing phase. Stage 4, dry-in. We install impact-resistant windows and exterior doors. This is a must for hurricane protection and massive energy savings in the Tampa heat. The roof goes on next, making the house watertight. This dry-in milestone is critical as it allows all interior electrical, plumbing, and HVAC work to begin without weather risks. Exterior lath and stucco. We apply multiple layers to create a durable, weather-resistant finish. This is the first step in the house's external glow-up and protects the blocks. HVAC design is critical in our humidity. We route insulated ducts and ensure proper airflow for every room. A balanced system is the difference between comfort and mold. Electricians run miles of wire. We plan for smart home integration, EV chargers in the garage, and high-voltage kitchen appliances. Everything is mapped to code. Plumbers top out the house, running water lines and vent stacks through the roof. We use PEX piping for durability and resistance to our local water minerals. Low voltage wiring. We run Cat6 for your internet, coaxial for TV, and wires for security cameras and speakers. Doing this while the walls are open is a fraction of the cost of doing it later. Plan for the future. After passing the 4-way inspection, we install insulation. We focus on our value to keep heat out. Spray foam in the attic is a massive game changer for energy bills in Florida. Drywall goes up. This is a massive visual shift. Suddenly you can see the rooms as they will be. We tape, mud, and texture the walls to prepare for finishes. Stage 5, finishes. The glow-up starts. Cabinetry defines your kitchen and bathrooms. We ensure every box is laser level and every drawer glide is smooth. Quartz day. Countertops are installed and the house feels premium. Then come baseboards, doors, and crown molding. The trim details are what truly make a home yours. Flooring goes down. Whether it's large format tile or luxury vinyl plank, a clean level install is critical. This ties the entire aesthetic of the home together. Trim carpentry and hardware. We install the doors, baseboards, and windowsills, then the cabinet pulls and door handles. These small touches provide the final polish. Paint and texture provide the final backdrop. We use high-quality, scrubbable finishes. The house is starting to look exactly like the initial renderings. Final electrical and plumbing trim out. We install your designer lights, fans, and faucets. Outside, the driveway is poured, and landscaping gives the house its smile. Stage 6, the finish line. We run through municipal final inspections. Once the city is happy, they issue the Certificate of Occupancy, or CO. You're almost home. The construction clean. We bring in a professional crew to remove every speck of dust, window sticker, and debris. This is when the house truly starts to sparkle and feel like a home. It's the final polish before the walk. We manage the punch list, ensuring every minor detail is addressed by the trades. From paint touch-ups to adjusting cabinet doors, we leave no stone unturned. Now for my favorite part, the blue tape walkthrough. I am ruthless here. We hunt for every imperfection. We don't close until it meets my standards. It's legendary. We review your home warranty and maintenance guide. A new house needs care to stay in top shape. We ensure you know exactly how to operate every system before you move in. Final draws are funded, and we head to the closing table. Handing over those keys is the best feeling in this business. From dirt to done, there's nothing like it. Building in Tampa is a journey, but it's the smartest investment you can make. You get modern codes, energy efficiency, and a home built specifically for you. Built for the future. Recap. Stage 1 pre-con and Stage 2 site work. That's how we set the foundation. A high-quality build is won or lost in these early phases. Stage 3 block and frame and Stage 4 mechanical dry-in. This is the structural heartbeat of your home. It's about safety, durability, and code compliance. Finally, Stage 5 finishes and Stage 6 final inspections to closing. 6 stages to your dream home, orchestrated like a symphony from start to finish. If you're ready to start your new construction journey in Tampa Bay, call or text me at 813-345-7487. I speak fluent construction. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tours of real Tampa builds. I'm Tony Damiano. Let's build your Florida life. See you on the next job site.